If your iPhone 13, 13 mini, 13 Pro, or 13 Pro Max shows no service, then here is a complete guide to fix this issue. First of all, check for obvious issues first. Are you in a no signal zone? Then try moving to a different location. Then is your airplane mode on? Then toggle it off if it is on. Then simply try restarting your iPhone. Press and hold the power plus volume up or volume down buttons. Then once you do so, you'll get to see slide to power off, slide it and wait for 10 seconds, then turn it back on. After that, remove and reinsert the SIM card. Use a SIM injector or paper clip to remove the SIM tray and reinsert the SIM properly and restart your iPhone again. Once done so, all you have to do is open the Settings app from your iPhone's home screen. Inside Settings app, scroll down and tap on the General option available there. Again, inside the General, all you have to do is scroll down till the bottom and tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on the Reset in it. Then tap on the Reset Network Settings. This will reset Wi-Fi, VPN, and cellular settings but won't delete your personal data. If none of these work, then test with a different SIM or contact carrier or Apple support. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.